What if you could literally earn crypto by moving your body, walking, running, hitting the gym, all while building real long-term wealth in crypto? That's exactly what caught my attention with MoveQuest. And after digging deep into how it works, I realized that this isn't just another move to earn app. It's a complete self-funding ecosystem that could reshape the FitFi space. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners in crypto cut through all the noise, cut through all the hype, and learn to build real wealth in crypto using simple macro strategies and building a conviction-based portfolio. After going through my own hard-learned lessons in crypto in this market, I committed to doing things differently with discipline, clarity, and long-term purpose. Now I'm building wealth the right way and helping others do the same, not chasing hype, but stewarding opportunity. If you're here to build something real and not just gamble, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing why I decided to get involved with this project, MoveQuest, what makes it different from the typical fitness crypto gimmicks that we all seen before, and my long-term plan for covering and participating in this project, MoveQuest. Let's get started with how MoveQuest caught my attention. Like many of you, I'd seen MoveQuest about a year ago when the token pumped well over $100 plus. I passed back then because hype runs always fade. But recently, I noticed something interesting. The token was rising again. When I noticed, it rose. It was rising. It rose from about $3 to about $10. Very quickly, even though there were more people selling than buying. Got me curious. So I started digging into the updates, and I discovered that the creator, Lynette Arden, had completely re-engineered the ecosystem. She had built a new algorithm that feeds the submission fees back into the liquidity, removing the constant sell pressure. You see, before, what really crashed the price was many people were mining a lot of the tokens, and then most of them were just dumping huge amounts of these tokens on the market, just like that. So it was crashing the price. That's the kind of sell pressure that usually ends up killing projects like this. It almost killed it. So then when I looked closer, it wasn't just another step tracker app. It was a true on-chain mining protocol where movement earns you MQT token, backed by real liquidity mechanics. Next, what MoveQuest actually solves. Most move to earn or FitFi projects fail for two reasons. Number one, unsustainable token inflation. And number two, no real liquidity system to support the price. MoveQuest fixes both. Tokens aren't endlessly printed. They're mined daily on limited supply through proof of activity submissions. Every submission fee in AVAX is used by the ecosystem contract to buy MQT on the market and inject liquidity back into the pool. The token is paired with a stablecoin, not a volatile chain token, meaning that it isn't affected by Bitcoin or AVAX, the price swings. That self-funding cycle, it means the more people move, the more submissions, the more liquidity is added. And then the stronger the token price floor becomes. It's one of the first FitFi systems that I've seen where activity fuels the liquidity instead of draining it. Okay, so why I'm personally getting involved long term. Beyond the mechanics, what really sold me was the mindset behind the project. Lynette said something that stuck with me. The people who make the most in crypto are long-term holders and builders. They understand that submission fees recycle into liquidity. They're not chasing quick profits. They're building for long term. They're building for the long run. And that perfectly aligns with my philosophy in crypto. Delayed gratification, conviction, and stewardship. MoveQuest rewards exactly that. Those who move daily, stake their tokens, and compound over time. And with features like the golden hatchery for staking rewards, Vanguard and Titan miners for power-ups, and a full on-chain ecosystem designed to sustain itself. I see a real foundation for something that can grow for years to come, years into the future. So for me, this isn't just a quick trade. It's a project that I plan to cover long term, share updates on, and test the system myself, from mining to staking to strategy. So if you're curious about MoveQuest and want to see how real world movement can become a wealth building habit, I will provide a link down below to the website. As well, make sure that you subscribe to the channel because I'll be documenting everything from setting up your miners to staking, optimizing rewards, tracking token growth, strategy. But remember, none of this is financial advice. This is my journey as an investor and a builder who believes in projects that combine health, wealth, and sustainability. And if you got any value at all out of this content, you know what to do. You know what? I'd appreciate it if you did. But smash the like button, drop me a comment down below. And like I said, if you're not yet subscribed, well, click subscribe, click the bell so you're notified when the next video is out for you. And in the meantime, I got another playlist right about here that, I believe you're going to find some great value in this playlist here as well. So head on over there. I'll be there and I'll see you later. And bye for now.